What's up guys, your boy Max. Welcome back to the channel for another video. And I know I haven't been posting in a minute guys, and I'm sorry about that. But right now we in Cabalete, me and the gang we're in Cabalete. And we're gonna go to this waterfall they're telling us about, but not many people know it because it's a private waterfall. So I'm gonna go there and show it to y'all, so keep watching guys. What's up guys? We're still on the road, we're still going down there. We're still trying to find hold on, what I thinking? We're still trying to find the waterfall, so yeah, keep watching. Yo, we made it guys, we made it.
Jaja.
Bro, this shit is breathtaking. So let me show you how we creep. We just finished guys, and the water was amazing, everything was amazing. We swim, we eat, we drink and everything. So whoever wanna come here, just hit me up and I will tell you where this place is. But it's private. As you can see, there's nobody home but us. It's a private location, so if you wanna come here, just hit me up. And don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up guys. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.